How do you invest in Bitcoin? Great question. On the description below is the two easiest ways I know of right now to invest in Bitcoin. One is an app called Coinbase. Coinbase, you can invest in not only Bitcoin, you can invest in other cryptocurrencies. And by clicking that link down below, they give me a little bonus if you buy some Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. And then there's Cash App, is an app that people use to pay each other in America. The way you invest, you have, and in Cash App, you can invest in stock and Bitcoin. So all you have to do is sign up for these apps. They connect to your bank account and you can buy Bitcoin. Before, it used to be much harder. You had to create a wallet. You had to have this special long encryption key. And what happened was a lot of people lost their encryption keys. So there's people that have lost millions of dollars because they lost their encryption key. So right now they made it easier through apps like Coinbase and Cash App, and you can use the links below to do that. When you invest in Bitcoin, do you have to pay the value of one Bitcoin for each, or do you invest in any amount you want? You can invest any amount you want. You could go on Coinbase right now and invest, I don't even know what's the minimum. Let me see what the minimum on Coinbase is and what's the minimum on Cash App. So right now, I wanted to buy Bitcoin. Let me see if I can put $1. We do not support totals more than $2. So $2 is the minimum amount of Bitcoin you can buy. I'm gonna buy $2 of Bitcoin right now. Bam! I bought $2 of Bitcoin. That was that easy. $2 of Bitcoin. $2 minimum there. Let's see what the minimum is on Cash App. So in Cash App, you gotta go to the stock market part, and then I'll say buy. $20 is the minimum you could buy on a Cash App. I'll buy $20 of Cash App. Bam, done. See how fast that was? I just bought $22 of Bitcoin in less than a minute.